Hey, how you doing, fellow air gunners? Back with the air gun review for you. Today we got the SIG sauer m17 co2 pellet. It's a 177 caliber. I've seen a lot of different specs for this as far as the FPS. Some claim 420, 430, 300. We're going to find out today. We're going to get it over the chronograph. Also have this here. SIG Air micro low profile reflex red dot sight. Really nice kit, comes with everything included that you need to mount it. Instructions, really nice. Got this off of sorry, doing this with one hand. Got this off of Amazon for about 50 bucks. Like I said, it comes with all the tools necessary, the mounting plates, instructions, 2 batteries. Really nice kit, and it fit on there perfectly. No hiccups, no goo gone. You don't need any heat or just the tools that were provided. I was able to get this on in less than 10 minutes, and it's beautiful. Fits on there perfect. They have this for the airgun version and the airsoft version. The airsoft version is the M18. The airgun version is the M17, which is this one. So let me pause this. We'll go over to the chronograph and get some initial numbers, see what it's shooting at. And I've got a few mags loaded up with the 7.9 grain Crosman hollow point pellets. So let me pause this. We'll go over to the chrono and get started. All right, we're over at the chronograph. We're going to turn this chronograph on and get a few shots and see what it's doing. All right, first shot. Okay, safety, not safety. I found sometimes if you don't get that mag all the way in, the air won't come through. Here we go, first shot. All right, we got like 200, which it probably didn't go over the sensors too well. Another shot. All right, we got 386.0. Another shot. We got 350.5. Another shot. All right, we got 360. We got 320.5. Do about 2 more. All right, we got 341.7. Do one more over the chrono and then we'll move to the accuracy part of the test. All right, last shot was 306.5. 306.5. All right, I'm gonna pause the video and we'll get set up for the accuracy test. 20-foot accuracy test. All right, I'm gonna go back 20 feet. We'll get a few mags. I'll be aiming for this spot here, but we're not gonna concentrate on that. We're just gonna concentrate on the groups wherever they land. I haven't gotten this red dot tuned in yet. I just mounted it and we're going for it. So let me go back to the bench and we'll get this started. Alright, going hot. First shot. Alright, that's about 40 shots from 20 feet. These were flyers, but not too bad for a blowback pistol, and I'm not the greatest shot with a blowback pistol, so and also out of the box settings on the red dot. If you spend some more time with the red dot and tune it in, you probably get tighter groups. Try different pellets also, so that's pretty good though. It's combat accurate, you know. Soda cans, any targets, they're out of there. Let's go ahead and walk back to the bench, and I'll give you a little bit of what the blowback action looks like. Alright, I'll put in another mag and then just fire off some shots so you can see the blowback action. Only one gripe about this pistol, actually two. The slide doesn't lock back when your mag is empty, and also every time you take the mag out to put, you know, your actual pellet mag in, it wastes a little bit of air. You can hear it puff every time. So here we go, some of the blowback action. I'm just going to ring off some shots so you can see the action. Alright, we're empty. So there you have it. This is the SIG M17 with fitted with a micro SIG Air red dot. Really nice kit, nice pistol. Everything went together well, and I like it. I'm gonna get this tuned in, and you can definitely have some fun with this platform. All right. Hope you liked it. Hope it was helpful. See you soon.